Hello. So I've been doing some R&D and I managed to get Pyro to do something with the help of thinking particles that I couldn't get it to do by itself, which is emit from these kind of openings in this sort of live mutating volume. But sort of doing this has upset the particle system. So anyway, that's just one example of something I came up with that's a bit unusual. But yeah, I was able to do that because I've been able to put thinking particles inside here and then both inside and outside the volume. So the other thing that I came up with is probably nothing. Is placing these on the floor by just they started out life as rigid bodies and I just dropped them to the floor and then converted them, which has sort of messed up their has kind of messed up the interaction slightly, but obviously you can see this is called Tunnel Collider and it's seeing what I can do with there's not a lot of motion in here, but these are gently moving and potentially it's inside a larger simulation. So that's that. Hope you found that interesting. And what's the other thing? I've done a rig mod which suited something I'm doing. So if we generate some particles, these are the spheres that I've just dropped to the floor by making them rigid bodies. I'm not quite sure what happens. I thought that soft bodies always reset when you tried to delete the tags in a position they'd ended up. So that was quite handy because I wanted to populate the base. And the other thing, you see, if I tick this clear center, we lose some particles, which is very quick to create. And I'll just show you how to do that. There's kind of other mods that have occurred, but you don't necessarily need to know all of them. But yeah, this is quite a quick one. We need to open that up because we want the position of our particles, and we can put this in because it's currently our center. Obviously, if you're going to move this, if you're going to use this, you want to move the setup complete, and we can use the global position from that, and then we want we are going to have to reorder our espresso, of course. Where do we want to be? If we just go above the yeah, so if we end up in here, where's our node? We want to get to. If we come in here, we should be good. So we want a distance node. And a compare node. If it's less or equal to say 200, that'll be glaringly obvious with any luck. And then we just want a p node. Oh, and we want our on port, our particle. Connect our on there. Where are we? What did I say? Below the B group. Set up. Set up. Got down. Distance. Compare. PDI. And that should kind of do us. If we just grab that, so we've got our values. If we change that to 400, it'll be pretty drastic. There you go. So I hope that's been of some use. Obviously it's a benefit not to have anything in the center, and all I did was add the user data to this tag basically, and just deleted the name and pulled it out so it just appears right here. But if you want to know more about that, hit me up. Okay, I hope that's been of some use. All the best. Bye.